Now, political heat has overtaken the scorching summers of central India as political parties continue with their campaign for the election in Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Akshay Dongre reports on how leaders and party workers alike are beating the heat in the city of lakes.
Campaign in Bhopal constituency in Madhya Pradesh is in its last leg. Both the main contenders from the BJP and the Indian National Congress have intensified their campaigns. But along with the politics, the temperature of the city is also soaring. The city has recorded over 40 degrees Celsius temperature in the last 2 weeks for several days. But the rallies and canvassing by the leaders continue. The BJP is fighting to retain the Bhopal seat, considered a bastion for the party since 1989.
गर्मी, किसी भी प्रकार की धूप प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की आंधी को नहीं रोक पाएगी। अटक से कटक तक और कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक एक ही आवाज आ रही है, हर गली हर मोहल्ले में, अब की बार।
Meanwhile, the BJP workers are also bracing the scorching heat to ensure that the people of the seat continue to vote for their party.
हम कर रहे हैं मोदी जी के लिए, हाँ, वो हमारे भाई हैं, उनके लिए 400 पार करना है।
मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा, वो जब हमारे लिए इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं तो अपन भी तो करेंगे मेहनत। भाई हमारे लिए देश चला रहे हैं पूरा, तो हम सब थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं।
Similarly, the Congress party is giving its final push through campaigning to regain the constituency that it last won in 1984.
इस समय सबसे बड़ी समस्या बेरोजगारी की, हर घर में 2-4 बेरोजगार बैठे हैं और कोई प्लानिंग गवर्नमेंट की तो भोपाल में मेरे को दिखती नहीं है। IT हब की बात की गई थी, वो नहीं हुआ।
The workers of the Congress party are also working along with their leaders to ensure a better performance than the last general elections, where the party could only manage to win 1 out of 29 seats in the state.
गर्मी है, हमारे प्रत्याशी महोदय भी पूरा दम लगा रहे हैं। कांग्रेस का कार्यकर्ता फिर एकजुट है इस बार, क्योंकि बदलाव जरूरी है। कार्यकर्ता इस 40 डिग्री की धूप में भी उनके साथ कंधे से कंधा लगा के खड़ा हुआ है।
The elections in Bhopal, along with 8 other constituencies, will take place on 7th May during the third phase. This time will be the peak of summers in India. To provide respite to their workers, the political parties are organizing community kitchens, resting place and coolers to cool down their workers and leaders. But the hope to achieve a total victory is the biggest weapon for the party workers and the political leaders against the extreme summer heat of central India.
In peak summer, as the temperature soared, the political temperature of Madhya Pradesh is also at an all-time high. And as the polling day approaches, all the political parties have started to give their campaign one last push to ensure that no stone remains unturned and that no voter is left behind in the scorching heat in the great Indian elections. From Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, with camera person Ramakant Sharma, Akshay Dongre, DD India.